class, our oral phase of grade 6. Today we are going to learn about computer. So we are not just doing an oral phase, we are also doing learning new things of computer in fun and exciting way. So hello.
Hello ma'am.
Can you tell me your full name?
Yes ma'am, my name is Ishan Paulil and I study in grade 6 Doctor.
So say hello to our friends who are watching this. Today we are going to do our oral phase. So let's start it, okay?
Yes ma'am.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
So can you tell me what is your hobby?
My hobby is to use computer in school and play educational games.
So what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer.
So let's not do anything else. So move on to our next question. So what is computer?
A computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data through input devices, processes it in memory, and provides us output through output devices.
Oh, excellent. A computer is like a helper to our work, isn't it?
Yes.
So can you tell me how the computer works? What is the principle of computer?
The computer works in a cycle called IPO, which is called input process output.
Very good. Can you explain it?
Yes, input means the raw data we give to the computer. Process means that when the computer gives the data to CPU, it processes it. And output means the process result come from the data we give.
Very good. Computer always work in this cycle. So let's go to next question. What are the features of computer?
The features of computer are speed, accuracy, intelligence, versatile, automatic nature, storage.
So can you tell me what is accuracy?
Accuracy means that computer always gives us 100% correct answers.
Perfect answer. He knows everything. So let's play a fun little game, okay? You have to answer it very fast.
Okay.
Is computer fast or slow?
Fast.
Does it make mistake?
No.
Can it store data?
Yes.
Wow, you are working like a computer. So let's go to another question from our topic. So tell me, what is the full form of GIGO?
The full form of GIGO is garbage in and garbage out.
Excellent. If we put a wrong input, it also gives us a
Wrong output.
So can you explain what is GIGO?
GIGO means that if we put an incorrect or wrong input, the output will be also produced wrong.
Very good, Isha. So let's move to another question. Do you know the application areas of computer?
Yes ma'am, the application areas of computer are education, medical, industries, bank and home.
Excellent coverage. So let's take a break and let's play a game, little game, okay? Where do doctors use computer?
Doctor use computer in medical.
Where do students use computer?
Student use computer in school.
So where do bank use computer for?
Bank use computer for banking.
Amazing, you know a real life technology use. So let's move on to another topic question. So tell me, where do we use computer?
We use computer in school, bank, hospital, industries, etc.
Although computer is a machine, it does not work like a human being. So there are some limitations, Ishan, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you tell me some limitations?
Yes ma'am, I know. They are that computer cannot make its own decision. Computer has no IQ. Computer cannot work without electricity.
So computer is called a versatile machine. So why does it called a versatile machine?
Computer is called a versatile machine because it can perform variety of tasks ranging from simple calculation to complex jobs in different fields.
Excellent answer. So let's move on to our another game round. You have to answer in one word, okay?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's do it. Computer works on
Instructions.
the full form of GIGO.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Computer is a
Versatile machine.
super fast like a CPU. So let's go to our another round, closing scene, okay? What did you learn?
I learned that computer is a smart machine which is used in different fields.
So you know so much about computers. So where did you learn it?
I learned it from my school.
Do you go to computer lab often?
Yes, I go in Sunday often.
Yes. So what do you do in computer lab?
In computer lab, I do typing. We use MS Word, MS PowerPoint. We do drawings, and sometimes we often play games.
So thank you Ishan for coming here today. Remember everyone, computer is not just a tool, it is a powerful machine that we can explore things and create new ideas. Thank you for watching today. Keep exploring and keep learning new things. Thank you.